section, we are going to talk about fake news. Interesting, isn't it? Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about an important thing, fake news around us. Now, I'm sure that once in your lifetime, you might have gotten a message that is not true, but seem to be really important, and you might feel that the news is a true news. Now, a lot of these come in the form of a message that has been broadcasted by overseas or people in the country, but there's no verified source around it. Lately, a lot of people have been getting news about the effects of vaccines, so it's really important to do a few things before you forward that message. I also want to remind everyone that lately the government announced that if someone forward a fake news with the intention to scare people away from taking the vaccine, there will be a penalty and you will be penalized. So be careful around that. So we have a few tips on identifying fake news and how you what can you do next about it. So here's an example as well. A message that was sent on 30th May. You can see that the numbers and also the theme of the image seems to be a little bit off if you were to check on My Sujatra app, and then the numbers also looks a little bit tempered. Now this is one of the signs of like a fake information and a fake news. So if you get something like this, please do check the source of information. Check if the message has been forwarded many times, such as this one. Check the grammar, like look for clues, such as the source of information, whether there is a suspicious link or not. You can always go to Google and check again if the news is true or not. If you're really unsure, do check with your family members and also friends. If you are not so sure about the validity of the news, please do not share or forward the news. Do not follow the instruction in the news. And also don't believe it's the truth until you're able to check it. I would say be careful with all of these things because it has been happening a lot recently, and we don't want you to be able to forward unverified news and make wrong decisions based on those news. So now that we know different steps that we can take to actually verify whether a news is true or fake, I hope that you're able to make the right decision.